Want to save money on Windows 11 this year? Watch now for more. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night wherever you are. Welcome back to another product review / tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at KeysFan.com. We are on the desktop version. The last video I made of this was a mobile app version, so we are now looking through it on the desktop page because some of you still have laptops. So what we're seeing here is the main product page where they have hundreds of products that are very, very high quality and are exclusive to this site here, and they got pretty insane prices for them. I'll show you the prices as we go along in this video, but we are just excited about this. I cannot wait to show you what kind of deals you get on here. So we are going to get started, and then the methods of payment were shown there: Visa, MasterCard, and the other card. I'm not sure what it was. So anyways, we got here your search bar. So let's just say that you want to search for Windows 11. So all your lists come up here, and it shows your Windows 11, and you got lots of bundles. You can get Windows 11 Home with Office 2021, 2016, and those prices are insane. Look at that, $72 for Office and Windows, and then there's also a $73 bundle, $71, or if you just want the operating system itself, it's like $26, $25. That's a bargain right there. And then you can also get games. Yes, you can get games on here. So you can get games like Doom Eternal, but I have a Switch, so I'm looking into getting Mario plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle. So this is only a Switch exclusive, so basically when you buy this game, that's like $13, that's a sweet deal, you get a code emailed to you once you purchase it. So you just go to add to cart with the product that you want, and then it'll load it into the cart. I mean, you can't go wrong with that price. I mean, wow, that is amazing. Yeah, I'm trying to sell it here. So we're just going to go continue shopping because there's a lot more shopping I want to do, obviously. So we're just going to look at the games again because I'm a gamer, I like games. So we got Wolfenstein, the new Colossus, Doom Eternal, Rainbow Siege, Unravel 2, the motocross game that's like insanely cheap right now. Watch Dogs Legion, I don't know who plays Watch Dogs, never heard of that game. Then you got Rainbow Siege, and you can save it onto your watch list by adding and clicking on the heart here. So $19 for Rainbow Six Siege. If you are not into games like that, this probably isn't for you, but if you are, then get this title at this price right now. So you can either heart it to your wish list and save it onto your wish list if the price becomes even lower. So that's really exciting. So you can just continue shopping there. And then once you have found the things that you need and you want to pay for it, you just go into the checkout process, which I'll explain later. But we're looking at games now: Mortal Shell, Battlefield 5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Apex Legends coins, Far Cry, Call of Duty, Civilization 6, Paw Patrol, if you're into that sort of thing. Let's see. And also there is productivity software. I don't recognize these softwares at all, so it's kind of foreign to me. But there's also like a shampoo software, editors, productivity softwares like disk defragmenters, antivirus software, and the like. So you can look at antivirus and security editing tools. So if you're looking for like licenses for your current software, then you can get these license keys at a reasonable price here, and they keep the prices low often. So always check this site out if you want low prices, and you will not be disappointed with what they have here. So this is like one of the best places to go. And also, if you click below in the description, there are some coupon codes that will make your shopping experience even better. Just click on the link below to apply the coupon codes for the products listed in the description below, so that way you'll be able to get the most out of what is in stock. And KeysFan, they go fast. You had better get to it right away. Well, it looks like I'm running out of time here, but thank you so much for watching this video. And as I said, you can click on the links in the description below, so that way you can get the most out of what is on sale for KeysFan.com, and you can get personal promo codes, you can get really great deals on software, and it just goes fast. You better hurry up and get there if you want to spend on something that you absolutely, positively cannot live without need. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe and the bell notification so that you can always get updated on what I post. I'm going to make an effort to make quality content this year. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Bye-bye. So I made a boo-boo. I forgot to show you the checkout process. So I'm just going to go add to cart for our items, and then we're going to click the bag on the top right here, and we're just going to go and see the contents in our cart. Come on. And then, once we have them here, no, I don't want to buy all that. I want to get blah, 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 blah. I want to get my 3 games. Let's delete this, if we can. Alright, so we go update shopping cart, and then we will start the checkout process. Okay, here we go. So when it'll show up your information with your address there, and then it'll say Visa by MasterCard. So they only take credit card for the payment. So that's how you check out. So you apply your discount code here, place your order, and boom, you're done. So that is it for this video. Have a great day.